Hey everyone, welcome to Matt Making. My name is Matt, and today we're going to build an overhead camera rig. I saw a video by Darbin Orvar where she built one out of plywood. I think it was birch ply. I don't have birch ply. I had some scrap regular ply, which turned out a bit rickety. It looks like she based it on Casey Neistat's one that he has in his studio. And I need something kind of similar because I want to do some demonstrations and show exactly what I'm doing close up. So let's get into it. So today's the second day and the overhead camera rig is finished. So here it is behind me. You can see it is a little bit wobbly. I think I'd be tempted to build it out of 2x4s or to layer up some of these sides. Whereas with this one, it's kind of a bit, you see what I mean? But it does hold a camera. It does do the job, don't get me wrong. Which I guess is all I needed. So, right, I'm gonna film something with it now, so I'll switch over to the camera on my phone. Bear with me, I'll be right there. Okay, I just thought I'd show you how it works. This bit here is where the camera goes. It attaches to the screw thread at the back. This bit here allows the camera to go up and down, and then you can tighten it to keep it in place. That allows you to change the distance that the camera is away from whatever you're filming. Right, let's get the camera on it and you can see. Okay, so this knob here, if I unscrew it, take the washer off, you can take this whole bar off. This bit here, on the back of it, this screw thread is the one that goes in the back of the camera to mount it. So I'm underneath the camera. Now, I'll probably get a Canon 10 to 18mm lens and then that'll do the job for this rig. Oh, this is really uncomfortable. Oh. Okay, so my overhead camera mount is finished. Am I happy with it? It's okay. I don't think I'd build it again. I think I'd build something different. Because I only had regular shuttering ply, which is full of voids and a bit weaker than regular birch ply. So what that means is it's a bit more rickety, I suppose. It does the job, but I'm not sure how happy I am with it. I haven't painted it yet. It's unfinished, and well, it was a quick build. So you know, I can't really complain.